Oh, good morning. Today, something really exciting. I'm going to show you how you can make your very own WordPress theme with no coding for free, just using the Gutenberg block editor. This one around me is the one I built, so let's get into it. As ever, I will put chapter markers below on the video so you can skip to specific sections or wind back to specific sections. All the plugins and themes that I mentioned as well, I will link to in the description below the video. Right, there are 3 things that you need to install before you get cracking with this. The first is you need to install the block-based theme from Automattic. This is a free theme, and think of it just like a starter WordPress theme. So it's fairly blank, but it enables us to create the layouts we want and then save them out. Second thing you're going to need is the Create Block-Based Theme plugin, which again is a free plugin. I will link to below so you can download it. So you need those 2 things. At the moment, you also need the Gutenberg plugin. Once the next version of WordPress released, you won't need the Gutenberg plugin. We only need that so we can access full site editing functionality. Now it's time to start designing our theme. So we're basically using the block-based theme as a starter theme, and we're going to build our designs with that theme and then export them out as a theme. I'm going to start just by changing a few of the styles and the colors. Now this is the one I've already actually customized, so when you come to do this yourselves, yours will look different to this. It's the same principles though. Yours will be white and you won't have these funky social icons. But I'm going to start by clicking customize, and all I'm going to do quickly for this one is change the colors here, and I'm going to change the background color to black, and I'm going to change the text color to white. Next up, it's time to edit the template. Now what's beautiful about this process is we're actually using Gutenberg and full site editing to design our theme. So there's no coding whatsoever needed at all. We're basically using the block-based theme as our starter theme, and then using Gutenberg and the power of block to design the layout, which we can then export out. Now I'm not going to dive into too much detail on full site editing today. I've done that in the past in previous videos, which I will link to either up above here or down here in the description. And I've done lots of tutorials on that, so go and check those out. All I'm going to do is design the header. So I'm going to go to template parts and then to header and then header. And in here now you can see I can actually start to change the layout. And what's beautiful, I'm using Gutenberg to design the layout of my header, which then I can export out as a theme. Now you can do anything you like in here, but I'll just do something very simple. Let's move the group here, the navigation, so it's now next to the site title and tagline. The social icons will be in their more normal place, which is over on the right. So let's just go and check out that's worked. And here we go. Here's the finished result of my brand new theme so far. So I've got my nice new header along here with my menu items and my social icons. The other thing that I've done, this is the home page. I've actually created a new page template called homepage, where I've removed the page title. And again, I cover full site editing in more detail in the other videos that I will link to, but you'll see if I go to templates here and general templates, I've got this new homepage template where I've actually removed the page title because we don't want the page title to show on the homepage. All I've got is the post content and the header and actually a footer. But you can go to town, you can create any kind of layouts you like using Gutenberg. So you're designing your theme using Gutenberg and full site editing. So here's my finished theme. Admittedly, I've gone fairly quickly. Now it's time to export it out as a theme. This is super easy because we're going to use the Theme Creator plugin. You just go to Dashboard, and then you'll see this new option down here, Create Block-Based Theme. Click on that, and then you've got the simple form to fill out with some fields. This is where you give your theme your name. These just link to when you have the theme details. So author is me, and again the URL, I'll put me. And then you just click the blue Create Block-Based Theme button, and that downloads down here as your new theme. So it's super cool and exciting. And then you just drag that to your desktop. There's your brand new theme. Let's unzip it to have a quick look inside, see what we've got here. These are all the theme components that we now need. So we can now upload that theme to a completely separate site, and then it'll inherit the styles of that theme. Actually, there's one more thing to mention here. If you want to get really snazzy and have your very own thumbnail when you upload the theme like you get in normal WordPress themes, then you just need to upload a file into your theme folder called screenshot, which I've got one ready here. Let's delete the existing one and just upload that into the root folder of your theme files. And then all I'm going to do is re-zip that to create it as my new theme. Delete the old one here on my desktop. I will compress that one, and now we're ready to upload it and see if it's worked. Right, so here's the website, completely different website that I'm going to upload my new theme on. One thing to mention, you will need the block-based theme installed as your parent theme. So what we're actually creating here is a child theme of the block-based theme. So you see I've got it installed. So click upload, find your theme. This is highly exciting. There's my Jamie's new theme. Click open and install it. Cross your fingers for a second time, activate it. There it is. There's my cute little thumbnail, which I uploaded. And here it is. Here's my brand new theme working on this site. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed that. Now what we're seeing here, we're right at the start of where I think this is all going to go. Because what's cool about this is we're using Gutenberg to design themes. Now we can do these customizations for a number of technical reasons. the most important one really is that themes now have been simplified because we're using full site editing. And basically our themes are made up of blocks. Now I'm going to cover this in a future video, but personally I think this has really profound implications for how themes are made, who makes themes, and also the theme ecosystem, and also the type of themes we make, but that's for a future video. So I hope you found this useful. If you did, if you can hit the thumbs up button now, that would be amazing because it really helps spread the word of the channel. Also, every time you do hit the like button, our cats get a little treat. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button as well because I'm producing more and more videos around WordPress and the block header. So thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.